I got some new items for you guys. You're gonna like this. You're gonna like this because you're fancy. It's written all over your face, honey. Even if you ain't want me to know, I know you're a fancy girl. And you wouldn't even be on here if you wasn't fancy. You see how the universe works to this video so you can see all the fancy items that I'm finna bring to you. Okay, you gonna move your feet to the beat. Let's go. Oh, I came to deliver. And as words to the mother and the brother. Let's get into this. Honey, have you seen these? Aren't they gorgeous? Honey, I know me, but no, I'm talking about the cups. Look at these. These are so fancy, pantsy, mancy. Now, they come in different colors. Summer colors, spring colors. Absolutely love these. These are color-changing tumblers. Yes, ladies and gents. Color-changing tumblers. The fancy of the McFanciest. Okay, when I seen this, I said, oh my goodness, new item. Now, add ice cold beverage to change colors. Ooh, chill. It's flamingo. Honey, whatever. Tomato. Okay? Hello, sunshine. Honey, shine yo star. So bright. They also have sweet summer. I know that's right. Now, these are really, really cute. Love these. $1.25. You see these? These fancy leopard nails by Pretty Woman. Okay? Have you guys seen that movie Pretty Woman? Alright? 12 false nails. These are absolutely divine. They are gorgeous. Love these. Now, one of the things that I always tell you guys, I do not use Dollar Tree glue that if they had the glue inside with the nails, because that glue don't last. This is the glue that I normally use. I use this glue, Stuck On You nail glue, ultra hold plus quick dry. All right. Then I seen these nails. Now we seen these the other day, 10 pre-glued artificial nails. This is pretty many. This is kids manicure. All right, forced nails. Absolutely love these. Okay, honey, I would wear those. Yes, I would. Now, another collection that is absolutely beautiful, these right here. Look at this with the hearts, the cherries, honey, the sunflowers. Now, Dollar Tree says that these are vegan, 12 folks nails, salon perfect manicure in 5 minutes. Honey, it don't take long for you. Now, let me tell you something. You're already fabulous. It don't take long to add on to your fabulous. So, did you know that Dollar Tree is also carrying Revlon Color Stay Light Cover Foundation? I seen this. I said, oh my goodness. This is, honey, this is beautiful. This is $1.25 natural finish, SPF 30 broad spectrum. I was like, I know Dollar Tree playing. And honey, they have a few other options. Check this out. Dollar Tree has the light cover foundation over here. They also have a darker tint up here, which is also $1.25. They delivering. Okay. Did you know that this multi-peptide anti serum is compared to the serum that they have at Sephora? Oh yes, honey, we gonna get into this and do this. Let's go. Not Dollar Tree selling natural stuff. Child, you want to stick around. Town, okay? Tea tree oil, 100% pure and natural essential oils, $1.25. Dollar Tree, honey, Dollar Tree is showing out in these streets. You get what I'm saying? They showing out. Peace, love bugs. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day today. Honey, I'm out here, okay? Don't turn your light down. Stop being around small-minded individuals, people that feel intimidated by you when you go around them. And they supposed to be your friends. No, turn your light up bright. Turn it up real bright. You was made and created to shine. Oh, so bright. Now, from the background. As you guys can see, I'm at the one and only Dollar Tree in a place to be. Now, some of you guys may be like, Dean, the hell we know you, honey, because all my videos, when I'm mainly at this Dollar Tree near me, it has that sign back there, okay? Now, we're going to see if Dollar Tree is going to have us move our feet to the beat out in these streets, okay? I left my book here the other day, and I know my book is here. I was with my youngest children. I said, oh my goodness, I left it. So let's see if they have that too. Let's see if they're going to make it do what it do. Let's go inside. Okay, so first up, honey, I know. When I was walking past, I seen this prune juice. I said, say what? Oh, so if you know, you know. This is high in fibers, okay, prune juice. If you need to use that bathroom, you may want to get you some prune juice, honey, if you didn't go in a few days. $1.25. Oh, I came to deliver. And as words to the mother and the brother, let's get into this. Now, other amazing items Dollar Tree has as well is just to say yes to avocado fragrance-free daily eye cream with hyaluronic acid to hydrate dry skin, $1.25. Now, retinol skin cream, anti-aging. One of the things that I can say about the serums that Dollar Tree has or carries, it is good, all right? Especially like the items like this in this little bottle. I have one of Dollar Tree retinols serums on my face as we speak, okay, and it's $1.25. Absolutely love it. My pores get tighter, all right. I have a glow to my skin, honey. Although I did have a glow before, but honey, it just brightens it up even more. So I haven't tried this yet, but if you guys have, let me know in the comment section. How do you like this? The retinol skin cream anti-aging. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is yes to watermelon, okay, daily gel cleanser with watermelon to lightly hydrate all skin types, $1.25. Is always the packaging for me. It's really the packaging, you know. Dollar Tree also have the moisturizing post shave serum wildflower pH balance for whole body, $1.25 as well. Now, one of you guys has said that you use this after you get out the shower, okay? You put it in a dropper, that you like this. So I have not used this, but I am going to purchase this. Not today, but we gonna purchase this because normally when Dollar Tree has this in stock, it goes really, really quick. And then they also have the coconut body oil. Now, and I did hear as well that this was really, really good too. Made with natural coconut oil, softens and hydrates dry skin. Really, really good. Love it. Fancy, pantsy, mancy. Now, Dollar Tree also have these serums. This is the multi-peptide anti-aging serum, which is $1.25. Best-selling peptide serum, clean beauty at Sephora. Okay, get into it and do it. Now, the next item that Dollar Tree has is this Reviving Aloe Mist, which is $1.25. Hydrates and refresh, moisturizes and soothes dry skin, face, and body from Smart Care. Next item up, summer tanning, honey. Dark tanning oils, no sunscreen. Smart Care, $1.25. Now, I had showed you guys the other day that Dollar Tree is carrying this bronzer revitalizing stick. This is $1.25. It has vitamin E in there. It's just really the packaging that they had this in. This is a soft tan. That's the color of it. $1.25. If you are looking for some lip gloss, lip plumpers, Dollar Tree definitely has them from Clean Color. These are $1.25. And then they also have a clear lip gloss, which is $1.25 as well. They just bring in all the heat so you can move your little pretty feet. I got some new items for you guys. You're going to like this. You're going to like this because you are fancy. Okay? It's written all over your face, honey. Even if you ain't want me to know. I know you a fancy girl. And you wouldn't even be on here if you wasn't fancy. You see how the universe works, okay? It brought you to this video so you can see all the fancy items that I'm finna bring to you. Okay? You're going to move your feet to the beat. Let's go. I use this glue, Stuck On You nail glue, ultra hold plus quick dry. All right. Then I seen these nails. Now we seen these the other day, 10 pre-glued artificial nails. This is pretty many. This is kids manicure. All right. Forced nails. Absolutely love these. Okay, honey, I would wear those. Yes, I would. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has that I don't know if you guys have seen this. This is adds magical colors to any pre-lit wood fire, $1.25. And these are pretty much the colors, all right? Up to 1 hour of colors per packet. Love this. Now, a lot of you guys absolutely love Dollar Tree's storage containers and storage bins. When I tell you is the colors for me, I absolutely love these. All of these are $1.25. Very inexpensive. I told you guys, it's this store that I go to. It's called Containers. And they have like all types of containers. They have storage items. They have mason jars. They have everything. But where are you going to get storage baskets, bins, storage containers from for $1.25? With the fabulous colors. You see these bright colors? Honey, hands down, they got them beat. Dollar Tree. They always get me with the packaging all the time, you know? And I said, I wasn't doing Dollar Tree shampoos no more. Now, this is anti-frizz shampoo. Calms unruly tangled hair. Now, this may be good. Blend of botanicals. Lavender. Now, lavender, oh my goodness, is my thing, like a chicken wing, honey. Okay. Ooh, child, petal fresh. This just looks like, is supposed to be more than $1.25. Let me know if you guys have seen this. Fancy. Another item that I absolutely love is this. Now, I did not get, this is the Bath and Body Wash from this brand. I had brought the hand soap, okay? That was hands down the best of the best. It smells so good. And it's for kids, but honey, yes, I was using it, okay? Raspberry banana smoothie. Now, if you see these in your Dollar Tree, these smells delightful. They smell so good. Peaches and sweet vanilla, strawberry watermelon swirl, $1.25. When I tell you, honey, you gonna thank me. Just, you know what? You might as well just thank me in the comments, okay? Because you're gonna be pleased that you brought this. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 2-in-1 body wash plus bubble bath. This is $1.25 as well. Really, really good. Another item that I absolutely love is the watermelon and basil. Every time I come to Dollar Tree, like I'm low on hand soap, this is my go-to, okay? This is my go-to. Absolutely love this. It smells just like watermelon. It is so good. Now, don't forget, fancy boys and girls, Dollar Tree has the rosemary and mint scalp and hair oil with a jojoba oil, refresh scalp, nourish hair, and split ends, $1.25 from Be Pure. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the teasing brush. Okay, honey, I seen this brush before, but I'm like, what do you really use this for? I mean, I know you use it for your hair gel, but I said, what in the world? Now, they also have this comb. Oh, I combed through it. I like this comb. This is fancier to make fanciest, $1.25. And then they also have the tail comb. This is $1.25. Really, really cute. Another item that Dollar Tree has that's new, dry shampoo. This is one and only Oregon oil derived from Moroccan Oregon trees, Dollar Tree says. $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have these handcrafted greeting cards, Mother's Day. Really, really cute. I absolutely love these. Honey, I told you guys the butterfly story. If you know, you know. This is really, really nice. You are the heart of the family. I know that's right. No matter how you say it. Really cute. It's the donuts for me. $1.25. Another item that's new to my eyes is the LED candles. Check these out. So, you guys know I'm a gold girl. Absolutely love this gold. And then they also have silver as well. These are $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree has these plastic pencil boxes that comes in different colors. These are really, really good. $1.25. If you are looking for some more containers to pretty much put your pens, paint brushes in, this I highly recommend. This is the extendable container. I like saying it says organizer. The cool thing about this, it extends. Absolutely love this. This is fancy pantsy mancy. Honey, this made it to the fancy list. Okay, now Dollar Tree normally has like a bigger container, but I don't think they have it at this Dollar Tree. Now, if you are looking for 4th of July items, Dollar Tree definitely has it. Look at the novelty heart glasses. This is a thumbs up. It made it to the fancy cut. Okay, they have fairy wings, thumbs up, fancy. Confetti, 4 foam wands, okay? They also have party poppers, foam scatters, 20 pieces, $1.25. Everything that your fancy heart desires, Dollar Tree has it for 4th of July. So cute. 2 pool bowls, $1.25. Patriotic bowls, $1.25. Dollar Tree also has so many decor items. These are really, really fabulous. Honey, decor, and more, right? They also have this boom, bang, pop, all right, from Dollar Tree. Now, this one, it says try me, so we gonna try them. Okay, honey, try the cups, try the tumblers, but not me. You get what I'm saying? Oh, it's not doing what it needs to do. Okay, now, when it comes to tumblers, these are by far my fave. I absolutely love this color. This is, honey, is everything. But this red go with my lipstick like a steal deal, like Holyfield, okay? They also have the silver tumblers. These are so fancy. And they're blue. Honey, who is she? All right. Now, Dollar Tree also have these tumblers over here as well. These are $1.25. Absolutely love these. But if you want to be like, you know, the fancy pantsy of them all, honey, you're going to be getting these, okay? Because you use a fancy one. If you're looking for summer items, Dollar Tree has exactly what you need. They have the pitchers, the martini glasses, okay, cups. They also have more martini cups. Honey, they like, we have your color, right? Okay, we know you pull them back. They have more pitchers, more martini cups. They also have the ice cube trays. I like these. This is so nice. And then they have the trays. Honey, you're going to put your carrot, your celery, your pecans, okay, your peanuts on here, your dip, honey, your cheese. You just going to put it all on here. This is for those picnic days, all right? We going to the park this year. Many days to the beach, many days, okay? And we having picnics, we flying kites, throwing flights, okay? Taking flights, ladies and gents, all right? They also have these ice trays over here, butterfly shape, really nice. Seashell, they also had a watermelon, really, really cute. And what about the dish drying mats? These are fabulous, to say the least. And then they also have the kitchen towels. Honey, still deal like Holyfield. More summer items. You know, when I come to Dollar Tree, my inner child just comes all the way out. All right? It's just something about Dollar Tree. Oh, look at these. Ooh. All right. Now, ladies and gents, let me know what was your favorite item. Okay, mine definitely was those color changing tumblers. The Revlon foundation completely shocked the socks off me. Okay, they had so many fancy items, so many new items. Really, really good. Still deal like Holyfield. Make sure you guys are checking out your local Dollar Tree, because they're all right with me.